Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Haba penpau ya kajing sungsi. Halo kajing jaba pero ha kajing pelong ke KSU. Ya karali ra lamayong. Usembut mentirang ba kajela, ubasnya bahalang dahar. Haka arpau trik nailar aja penriau. Ula kentu, ben penne ya kesyong suk syong san. Bad ongru, bak sorkar kalong kabala Kloi, banyak keren kimat Jingdawa jong ke KSU. Haba keren cikelap sai kubur, basnya bahalang dahar ula ong. Baya ke Jingdawa ke KSU, on siya keren tat andawan pai umentirang ba kajela. Haka bay day baka jingjah kaput ke Meghalaya bat Assam. Naka jingsyapan pai ki kali neki arteri kajela, ubasnya bahalang dahar ula ong. Baya ke jingnya penbet, on sale haka kerdan jong umentirang ba ke Meghalaya kondat kisang ma. Buat umentirang ba ke Assam, himanta beswa Sharma.
Demands, we know what it is, so let them come forward, we'll discuss. And CM, even Mawala yesterday helped Mr. After the cabinet, he'll be very clear. They are most welcome to come forward. Let's see, maybe in a day or two, we'll see. Let's see CM in some stations, let him come. So I think all these problems we used to face before, so always we are dealing the right manner. The question of delay does not arise, the question is too fast does not arise, so at time. Government is already on the top board of government, so not from my level, it's from CM and home level, they are discussed with other counterparts or all this.
So as Assam Chief Minister, our CM is talking to Assam Chief Minister?
I'm not very sure, but I think they must have talked to each other.
Are you also taking it up with the Chief Minister or the...
Chief Minister and Home Minister, we are contacted, they are on the job to get this thing normalized. We know very well. Whatever rally happen, whatever provision happen, always we expect peaceful rally, and especially for this even KSU, so it seems they already give undertaking was good to see it will be a peace rally. So yes, very unfortunate. So that's how the government will see on this how to tackle this matter. It's very unfortunate, which is cannot be tolerated by the government, and especially from my side, the government, we request peace always. I request the KSU member and all other organizations and include all the people of the state, let us maintain peace always. Yes, if there is any issue flags, so the door is open for the government to talk. We are still discussing with other counterparts to bring back peace.
Kata baik semakat sangat sangka.
Nhà em khá nó cả tại em SIS. Mà.
Gak jingir apa saya lalu yang sortar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Ada MHIS kapi.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi konfi hap ada medika hostel, tahap lek pi ka registration. Tele dampi dengan smart card, tersampah cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni konfi hap lek operation ni yo. Te gua kam to hap penjan ni pi ya ka paisa ka hap lek operation ni. Tahu ka PM MHIS card pi dan ni smart card. Tengah try membayar ri pi.
Ri nak bagi mon lek yo paisa sumar ni kon. Hap benda ni ksir yo sumar. Kebelah si bona karo hiela atau persangkafu ni ya.
Ini kan mana dia smart card.
Kan teh. Kebelah si bon. Mo.